Hello, and welcome back to this week's episode of Tech Tips. My name is Lucas Morneau, and I'm the production manager here at Schuds & Fawcett. Today, we'll be exploring the Lowel DV Creator Light Kit, a powerful and versatile halogen-based lighting kit. So, let's take a look. The Lowel DV Creator Light Kit consists of 4 different lights, along with some additional lighting modifiers. The kit includes the Lowel Omni light, the Lowel Tota light, the Lowel Rifa EX55 softbox, the Lowel Pro light, gel frames, umbrellas, light stands, and light blocks. First and foremost, before we go into detail about this kit, a safety warning. Because this kit is halogen-based, these lights get extremely hot during operation. Therefore, we've included some safety work gloves to protect the operator's hands from burns. Also, once done shooting, it's recommended that the lights are left to cool off for at least 30 minutes before packing them away. With that out of the way, let's go into detail and look at each light individually. The Lowel Omni is a flexible key and backlight that can be focused through its tilting bulb. It features removable barn doors, allowing the Omni to be manipulated even further. The Omni features a 500-watt lamp with a color temperature of 3200 Kelvin. To set up the Omni, first, we'll set up the light stand, ensuring all the screws are fastened into place. We'll then secure the light to the stand by attaching it to the 5/8 mount on the right of the light. Plug it in, adjust the angle with the handle on the back, and focus the light's throw using the knob, also on the back. The Lowel Tota is a broad throw light perfect for flooding backgrounds. It features 2 barn doors that can be manipulated to narrow the throw of the light. The design of this lamp makes it a fantastic light for copywork and art documentation. It can use up to an 800-watt lamp, so this light is extremely powerful. We are currently using a 750-watt lamp that allows us to get a color temperature of 3200 Kelvin. To set up the Tota, simply set up a light stand and secure the light to the stand, sliding the stand into the mount on the right side of the Tota. Plug it in, and now it's ready to go. If you need to manipulate the Tota while on, there is a plastic knob on the left of the light, which helps to dissipate the heat of the lamp. The Lowel Pro light features a Fresnel-like prismatic lens that allows the outputted light to be focused, creating a spot-like effect. This light works great as a key light, allowing for dramatic lighting effects. The Pro light also features barn doors for even further control, as this light is much more focused and therefore brighter than the other lights in this kit. The Pro light only uses up to a 250-watt lamp, with ours using a 200-watt lamp at 3200 Kelvin. Install the light the same way as the others, locating the light mount on the back of the light. Once installed and plugged in, the Pro light's lens can be focused by turning the knob on the back until the desired focus is reached. The Lowel Rifa EX55 softbox is an anomaly in this kit. While I may have mentioned that this is a halogen-based lighting kit, the Rifa EX55 is an exception. Due to its interchangeable socket, it can shoot halogen and tungsten lights as well as fluorescent lights. It uses a 500-watt lamp, with our halogen lamp emitting, wait for it, 3200 Kelvin. To set up the softbox, first secure the softbox to the light stand. Next, we'll open and lock the softbox by pushing the light fixture pole towards the base of the softbox. You'll hear and feel a little click, indicating that the softbox has locked into place. Next, we'll attach the diffusion panel, sliding the softbox's poles through the panel's grommets and fastening the Velcro on the sides. You can now plug the light in and adjust the softbox's angle from the lever in the back. Both the Lowel Omni, Lowel Tota, and Lowel Pro features umbrella holders, perfect for adding more light modifiers to our lights so that we can reflect and diffuse our light even further. On the Omni, the umbrella holder is located to the back of the light on a swiveling bar, allowing the umbrella to be held on top of or on the side of the light. On the Tota, this umbrella holder is located on the front of the light to the right side. And on the Pro light, it is to the bottom of the light, right above the 5/8 inch stand mount. The umbrella holders also act as holders for the gel frames, allowing for more creative uses. Like the umbrellas, these gel frames slide into the holders and can be secured with the screw. The Omni and Tota also feature a second mount for light blocks, which are also included in the kit. These include bendable arms that can help to manipulate the blocks into any position. On both the Omni and the Tota, the block mount is located near the stand mount. Finally, let's go over the pros and cons of the Lowel DV Creator Light Kit. The Lowel DV Creator Light Kit is extremely versatile, has an amazing color rendition due to the halogen lights, and has a lot of included accessories and light modifiers. And finally, outputs a lot of light. The downside to this light is that the lights are not dimmable. You have to use modifiers to adjust the output of the light. And they burn super hot and burn out fast. So you'll have to ensure that you don't burn yourself and will have to replace the bulbs often. In conclusion, the Lowel DV Creator Light Kit is an extremely powerful lighting kit that can help illuminate the darkest of locations. My name is Lucas Morneau. Thank you so much for tuning into the Tech Tips, and all the best.